Welcome to the factory where the iPhone 17 Pro is born. Today, I will show you the full process from raw metal to finished iPhone 17 Pro. First, we will see how the iPhone 17 Pro frame is carved from solid aluminum. These are the machines that carve the iPhone 17 Pro frame from raw aluminum blocks. Let us start right at the beginning.
This solid aluminum block will become the outer frame of the iPhone 17 Pro after several precision machining steps.
Here we see the CNC at work on the bottom edge, rapidly creating the micro holes for the speaker grill and charging port.
The cutter sculpts a raised platform and then bores 3 circular pockets, plus a smaller hole for the LiDAR and flash modules.
Now that the iPhone 17 Pro frame is machined and measured, we give it a smooth touch before adding color and protection.
Next, the highly polished frames enter the texture line cabinet. A precise sandblasting process gives the iPhone 17 Pro its signature matte finish.
This anodized aluminum frame is now ready to protect all the advanced components inside every iPhone 17 Pro. While the housings move ahead, let us jump to another part of the factory where the iPhone 17 Pro brain is built.
This is the brain of the iPhone 17 Pro. I'm placing the bare board into the solder paste printer to begin the assembly process.
Next, the iPhone 17 Pro board goes through the reflow process, ensuring perfect solder joints. Here, the iPhone 17 Pro logic board is placed into the in-circuit test fixture for comprehensive testing.
For the iPhone 17 Pro, these connectors link to a powerful triple camera system that is built in an even cleaner area. Let us see how those cameras are made.
This is the completed iPhone 17 Pro camera cluster. Next, these tightly packed components head to the main assembly line.
This cluster will drop into the camera island in the iPhone 17 Pro frame and plug directly into the logic board, so every pixel you capture starts right here.
The robotic arm precisely aligns the flex cables, ensuring a perfect connection to the logic board with a confirming snap.
Here we see the battery connector being seamlessly integrated into the logic board. The specialized shield plate is then secured.
This is what an iPhone 17 Pro looks like on the inside, just before we add the display and seal the phone against dust and water.
Next, the display undergoes a rigorous touchscreen calibration and response test, verifying each zone for flawless performance.
Testing left channel. Testing right channel. Frequency sweep complete. Audio diagnosis pass.
After the accessories are placed, the lids are precisely lowered and compressed, ensuring a secure seal. After the accessories are placed, the lids are precisely lowered and compressed, ensuring a secure seal. Once the cartons are sealed, they move to the robotic cell, where they are precisely stacked and secured with stretch film.
After passing final inspection, the new iPhone 17 Pros are ready for shipment. From raw aluminum blocks and tiny chips to this finished iPhone 17 Pro, every step is carefully controlled and checked so that your phone works perfectly.
Next time you unbox an iPhone 17 Pro, you will know the journey it took through this factory.
Next, the approved glass moves into the lamination stage, where precise machinery bonds the OLED panel. Here at the slitting station, the coated material is precisely sliced and stacked into the iPhone 17 Pro. Closing the material loop, these dense bricks return to the supplier to be melted down for new iPhone 17 Pro frames.
As you can see here, every single iPhone 17 Pro is tracked in real time by its serial number across all these steps, from raw materials to shipping. Let us quickly retrace the full path of the iPhone 17 Pro you have just seen. The iPhone 17 Pro screen starts as separate OLED and glass modules, which are laminated and 100% tested before meeting the housing. Like this. Tiny chips, processors, and memory for the iPhone 17 Pro logic board are placed by high-speed machines, then soldered in.
The iPhone 17 Pro battery goes through careful chemical formation and safety checks, while its camera system is optically aligned.
Finally, every iPhone 17 Pro receives its own version of iOS, plus dozens of tests before we clean, polish, and package it with accessories.
Thousands of people and machines together build each device.
Automation handles repetitive precision jobs, while skilled people handle inspection, delicate adjustments, and problem solving. From the first cut on an aluminum block to the last test before shipping, every iPhone 17 Pro passes through.
The tour is almost over as we approach the glass exit doors leading outside.
Behind these walls, thousands of phones like this one are built every day with strict quality and safety standards. The very next iPhone 17 Pro that reaches you has completed the same journey you have just watched.
I want to thank this incredible team for their hard work. This is where the future of the iPhone 17 Pro is made.
Thank you for joining me inside this factory to see how the iPhone 17 Pro is made step by step, from raw materials to the moment it leaves for your hands.